How to install and activate an Xfinity Video Doorbell. The Xfinity Video Doorbell combines a doorbell and a camera, enabling remote monitoring of your front door. The installation process involves several steps, including setting up a chime kit, mounting the doorbell, and connecting it to the Xfinity app. The doorbell must replace an existing wired doorbell and requires a voltage between 16 and 24 VAC. Installation involves turning off the power, attaching the chime kit, mounting the doorbell, and activating it via the Xfinity app. What you'll need: Xfinity Video Doorbell, kit, doorbell, brackets, chime kit, screws, masonry drill bit, power drill, 2-number, Phillips head screwdriver, hammer, which is optional. Installation steps. First, turn off power. Locate and turn off the circuit breaker for your doorbell. Verify power is off by pressing the doorbell button. Secondly, install chime kit. Remove chime box cover. Attach chime kit wires to terminal screws. Place chime kit inside chime box and replace the cover. Next, mount doorbell. Remove old doorbell and disconnect wires. Choose and install the appropriate bracket. For wood/vinyl, screw directly. For brick stone, drill holes, insert anchors and screw. Connect doorbell wires to the new doorbell. Attach the doorbell to the bracket and secure it. Then again, restore power. Turn the circuit breaker back on. After that, activate via Xfinity app. Ensure the doorbell's light is blinking white. Enable Bluetooth on your phone. Follow app instructions to connect the doorbell. Finally, complete setup. Name your doorbell and adjust settings. Activate features like video recording and notifications. Your Xfinity Video Doorbell is now ready to use. This is how to install and activate an Xfinity Video Doorbell.